Okay.
It's basically a multifunctional AI system that can help varieties of patients and clinics and doctors.
Okay. Go on.
So my name is Pragnan Nallamothu, and I'm a rising ninth grader, and I'm very interested in AI and healthcare. And
Okay.
so Omnicare AI has multiple features integrated inside of it, and those are all designed to help varieties of patients so that they don't have to come into the hospital without knowing anything about their problem.
Okay.
So this is my problem statement. So the problem I wanted to solve was that usually in hospitals, the the doctors usually use tools that are not in sync, or they just have missing information input inside of them. And then sometimes uh, people that have injuries that need to go to the ER are usually put behind people that have minor issues, and that causes a lot of people to die. And that's the problem I wanted to solve with Omnicare AI.
Okay.
A lot of people have been affected by these problems. So these are all of the percentages that I researched.
Okay. Cool. Question for you.
Uh-huh.
Go hop a bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Here. Yeah, it says here, right? Over 60% of ER visits in the US are non-urgent or semi-urgent issues, which
Mhm.
often crowd out more than serious cases. What's
Uh-huh.
the reason for this?
This is because usually people don't know much about their problems, and they might describe to the doctors that they're hurting a lot or it's too serious, even though it might not be. And so
Okay.
they might get taken to the ER without actually needing to be in there.
All right. I feel like most people kind of know when it's an emergency and when it's not an emergency, right?
Hmm.
So okay, I understand certain people might not know, but like, why is it
Yeah,
so overwhelming?
I
Are you
think
sure
it's
that's the correct way?
what?
Yeah, go on. Why is it so like? Why is like 60%, right? Like, usually it's pretty clear when there's an emergency or whether it's not an emergency, right? So,
Yeah.
right. So why is there so many different people?
I think it might be because it's usually in places where people might not be know much about biology and healthcare.
Okay, look, the real reason is this. It's not about biology or healthcare. People know their own bodies. Okay, it's not
Okay.
that. The real reason people visit the ER is because of insurance. Okay,
Oh,
because by law in the US, ERs are required to treat you regardless. Okay, they cannot
okay.
refuse you because you cannot afford to pay it.
Okay.
That makes sense. That's why a
Mhm.
lot of ERs, a lot of people go over here, right? Makes
Yeah.
sense.
Mhm.
Cool. And also the same thing with this. Usually, like ER visits are really cheap on Medicaid. You know what Medicaid is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's the reason. Okay, you can just move on now.
Okay. So this my solution is basically to build Omnicare AI. It has all of these functions to help varieties of people, like I said
Can you go
before.
straight to the demonstration?
Okay, sure.
Sure.
Oh, the demonstration video is not over here.
No, no, you don't need a demonstration video. I just need to show you. Open up your app, right? Show it to me.
Oh yeah, okay, sure. It's right here.
Yep. Demonstration is meant to be this, not a video. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Cool. Go on. Uh, Tell me
Uh,
what you
s-
have.
to use Omnicare AI, people just have to sign in or sign up.
Okay.
One second. Oh yeah, there it is. So this is the triage stream. So this is usually used to train the AI.
Okay.
So this area is usually for like hospitals and
Hmm.
clinics. And these are the stock controls. Usually these are like used to track how much medicine the hospital has. So the user usually doesn't need to use these unless they're working for a hospital. So as you can see, the people in the list are all arranged by urgency. So
Okay.
the top two people are in the resuscitation level, so they need to be cared for immediately. And then it goes from all that to the less urgent area.
How many ESI levels are there?
Uh, it goes all the way up to resuscitation. So there's resuscitation, urgent, urgent controlled, and then less urgent. So there's only four
Okay.
in
Cool.
our AI.
Okay. What's
Uh,
the healing portal and all that? Can you explain that?
okay, so this is the healing portal. You have to take an image of your injury. So I tried to find a good image of an injury, but I wasn't able to find any.
Okay.
But the user basically just takes a picture of their injury and then uploads it, and then they
Can
have
you
to
like
decide.
can you put like you must have some image on your computer, right? Can you put any image? Doesn't matter if it's an engineer or not. Just want to see what
All right,
happens.
I'm gonna try.
Anything works. It's fine.
Okay, sure.
Camera.png. Go with that. Camera.png is right there.
Uh, so
Just select anything.
It doesn't matter. Yeah. Just open.
See, it doesn't matter.
okay,
Yeah.
so
I'm saying if it's an unrelated image, it should not. I want to see what happens there, right?
all right, so
Very nice. So it did identify it properly, right? That's what you're checking here, right? Whether it can identify properly or not.
yeah,
Nice.
and then
Cool.
it gives the progression.
Mm.
So this
Regeneration matrix.
is
Obviously
the
it's zero right now
yeah.
because it's four. Cool. Okay. Finally, the symptom evaluator.
So the symptom evaluator, the user needs to enter any symptoms that they've been facing that are related to the problem. So for now, you can name any symptom.
Okay. How about migraines?
Okay,
Migraines. Yeah, sure. Let's go with that.
so here.
Okay. Just a
So
migraine.
it gives a brief summary of the problem along with how it may be causing, and then the how urgent it is, and then the drug recommendation.
Cool. Okay. Finally, allergy safety matrix. What's this?
Okay. So the user enters in the drugs that they're allergic to, like they might have gotten them from previous checkups. So you can tell me any drug.
I just use ibuprofen. It's fine.
Okay.
It's right there, third one.
Yeah. 1 second. I think it's loading.
Wait.
Oh yeah, here.
Cool. Okay. I think I can guess what dosage. What is doctor recommended actually? You can
Oh,
skip dosage calculator. It's fine. I
okay.
think everyone can figure that out.
So the user can like
Oh, the
type
specialist. Okay, good, that
yeah,
makes
so
sense.
it can select they can select a general area that they're hurting. So you want to pick one?
It doesn't matter. Just we'll go ANT or something.
Okay.
Yeah, that
So
works.
like you said before, migraines. And then if the user knows that there's a specialist available in their area, they can toggle this on. But if they're not sure, then they can toggle this off. And they just
Yeah.
needs to click that. And then it'll give them the specialist match, but it'll also give them three other uh doctors that can also help them.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Maybe in a real hospital setting, it can also tell you like the actual like doctors you can have visit, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Right, and we have the supply stocks. Nice. Can you press the crisis simulator button once? I want to see what happens.
Okay. I think I might need to go over here. Oh yeah, so it basically generates patients that are all in the
Mm.
resuscitation or urgent level.
Okay, cool. All right. So one last question for you.
Mhm.
What is an API?
An
What is an
API,
API? Yeah, define it in your own words.
uh,
You don't need to say the acronym. Just like what is it?
uh, it's like an interface for like computers.
Computers. So I guess
I
so.
actually just here. I actually asked this question to him like when he started the first week.
Okay. If, come on, Pragnan, think about it. API
Uh,
using Grok API here, right? So
yeah.
what's happening? What's happening when you use Grok?
Uh,
What is Grok?
it's an AI.
Is it an AI? It's a website you visited, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, look, it's pretty simple. Look, Grok is a website you visit, and that website has a ton of like different models on it, right? Does that make sense? Those models were not made by Grok; they were made by stuff like ChatGPT and people like that. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so what's happening right now is we use an API to talk to these things, right? So like you know how me and you are talking right now. What are we using to talk? Using Google Meets, right?
Yeah.
So that is the interface that we use to communicate with each other, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Right. So similarly, your app is talking to some another app called Grok, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we're saying like, hey Grok, I want to use one of your models.